Welcome, it's Andrew from the LED Group, ROBUS here. Brand new product that we've got in our lineup. It's called the ROBUS GLEAM, available in 14 watts and 17 watts. And the diameter size, 14 watt version is 300 across the base, whereas the 17 watt is 350 millimeters across the base. Both with the same design, quick and easy removing on the diffuser. Very simple inside in the operation. It does have the CCT3 with the three colors being 3000K, 4000K and 5700. Just a reminder folks, never change that switch when you got the power on too. Always turn the power off before you change the actual switch. And that stops that the amount of current that's still residual in the actual unit before you change the next color. So don't do that. Just a couple of points here. In the center entry point. So, and also has a second hole for a loop out. So if you do have multiple fittings, you've got the option there to do so. Great fitting. It is dimmable as well, with most common dimmers that are trailing edge or phase dimmer for that matter. Also with the diffuser, it does have an IP rating of 54. So you can use this outside under an eave or something like that in those installations. New product, if the wholesaler doesn't have them, ask to get them, have a bit of a look. Great new product, as I said, two versions, 14 watts and 17 watts, and more to come. Thank you for joining us. Bye for now.